Hey folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I'm up here at Harrison's garage, and this pickup truck belongs to one of the guys that works up here. He's a pretty cool guy. He's always giving me leads on cars and stuff. And what we have here is an 85 F-150. And you're looking at this truck saying, all right, Bob, why is this on a classic car channel? What's wrong with you? You losing it? No, this truck is special. We're going to show you what's special about it here in just a little bit. But for right now, I want to show you this thing. It's solid. Look at this truck. It is solid. I mean, I haven't run a magnet down it or anything, but from what I can see, it's pretty darn solid. We've got a little bit of rust going right there. Nice looking step bumper. There's something special about this truck, and it's up under the hood. And we're going to go for a little quick ride too. So F-150. Clean looking old work truck, but it's actually a hot rod. Let's go ahead and, if we could, pop that hood. Hold on to your hats, folks. And Ford guys, I'm sorry. I'll go ahead and apologize right now. What we have is an LS Swap F-150, folks. Now tell me that ain't something right there. Look at that. And we're going to prove it runs because we're getting ready to go for a little ride here in just a minute. Now this is a little bit of a work in progress. You're going to see a few little things here and there. But yes, sir, LS Swap. It's a 5.3, estimated right around 300 horsepower. It's bone stock. So let's get in this thing and go down the road right quick. I'm gonna put you on pause for a second. All right, folks, we got it fired up. We're buckled in. He says he's gonna smoke them for you.
It might.
I got a sneaky feeling it will. Have anything to hold on to.
Get out of here.
Yeah, it's lunchtime. It's a little busy out here on this little two-lane road right outside of Wake Forest, North Carolina.
Right.
Here we go. Holy cow. Okay, we don't have the speedometer hooked up, so we're using the GPS on his phone.
Probably upwards of 70.
This thing's got some torque. Good Lord, for a stock 5.3.
Well, it's got better gears than the 5.3s come with. It's got a 355 in it.
Okay, 355 gear.
Like 28-inch tall tires.
It caught up the traffic in like 3 seconds. This is the first LS Swap car I've ever been in.
Really?
Yep. Or LS Swap vehicle, I should say.
You can turn around, I'll come back.
All right. We'll do about 3 donuts.
I don't know if it'll do a donut. It's got an open rear end in it.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Yeah, it's one tire.
No donuts, folks. I'm sorry. Got up to 70. That was about an eighth of a mile. I think it's definitely got some power.
Yeah.
Bone stock 5.3.
Could be a little scary. The brakes aren't
Yeah.
fast.
This truck's come a long way. I remember when you first started on it.
The best thing about it is it's quiet, so.
Yeah, it's a sleeper. This is a sleeper, folks. You think you're dealing with a little 302 two-barrel with 150 horsepower. Listen to that motor. Man. I see why these late model engine swaps are so popular.
Yeah.
This thing has got some, well, you know what it's got.
To be honest, I don't even drive it hard like that usually. I've been saving on it.
It's a treat for you guys. All right, folks, we're stuck behind a big old Tahoe, so ain't gonna probably be no more fun. So I'm gonna turn you off right here. Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. That was cool.